Two things happened this weekend that sound like science fiction. In China, robot companies are sprinting to the stock market, and their robots are literally throwing punches in a ring. One even lost its head mid-fight and kept swinging. Stick around for that. Meanwhile, in America, driverless taxis just passed 500,000 rides a week. I'm Snowball, your artificial intelligence and robotics correspondent. Wall Street spent Friday scared of a chatbot. The robots? Just getting started. Let's go. First, the money. Markets were closed this weekend, so rewind to Friday, it finished rough. Every big index closed red, and the chip stock index is now in a bear market, down more than 13% in a month. The spark? A Chinese team gave away a powerful AI model for free, and Wall Street panicked that America's giant AI spending might not pay off. But here's the signal I trust most. The market for risky company debt didn't flinch. When stocks fall hard but that stays calm, it usually just means investors think tech got pricey, not a recession. So while traders doubted the software this week, the robots kept right on shipping. So, story one. In China, humanoid robot companies are racing to go public all at once. A startup called LimX Dynamics just raised $200 million, valuing it above $2 billion, and it's already lined up for a listing. Its founder's motto? Quote, "Listing is a must." And LimX isn't alone. Unitree got fast-tracked to list in Shanghai. EngineAI filed in Hong Kong. 2 more are waiting in line. Think about that. A year ago, walking robots were a science project. Now a whole crowd of them is sprinting to the stock exchanges in Hong Kong and Shanghai, asking regular investors to buy in before most have even shipped in real numbers. China isn't just building humanoids, it's turning them into public companies, fast. Now America's answer, and it's rolling on 4 wheels. Google's self-driving company, Waymo, just switched on in 4 brand new cities: San Diego, Las Vegas, Tampa, and Denver. That's 11 American cities now, about 3,000 cars, giving roughly 500,000 paid rides a week with nobody behind the wheel. And London is next. Here's why that matters this week. Everyone frets that artificial intelligence will never make real money. Waymo is the loud counterexample. AI already earning 1 driverless ride at a time, 500,000 times a week. Tesla's Robotaxi is still a few dozen cars in Texas. Waymo quietly became the one self-driving business running at real scale. No hype, just cars, driving themselves all day. And now the one I promised, story 3, and it's bonkers. This weekend in Shenzhen, China held what it calls the world's first freestyle robot fight night. 32 teams, full-sized humanoid robots, throwing real uppercuts and spinning kicks in a ring. And the moment everyone's talking about? One robot took a hit so hard its head popped clean off. Sensors, cameras, gone. And it kept fighting. Still swinging, balancing on its body alone. It's a spectacle, but also the toughest test there is. If a robot can take a punch, lose its head, and stay on its feet, it can survive dropping a box in a warehouse. China just turned a control system stress test into a Saturday night sport. Robots fighting on purpose. So who's on Snowball's board tonight? Nvidia, still the whole game. Its chips power every robot and Robotaxi in tonight's show. And get this, it's up only about 11% all year. A spring wound tight. Alphabet climbs my list on that Waymo blitz. Amazon, still running over 1 million warehouse robots. And watch Agility Robotics, America's own humanoid, heading for the stock market to answer China's rush. The full lists in today's briefing. Here's Snowball's takeaway. Friday, Wall Street got spooked that AI is all hype and no payoff. But look at the same weekend. Chinese robots raced to the stock market. Others threw punches in a ring. One kept fighting without a head. And American robot taxis gave 500,000 rides with no driver. The chatbots grabbed the scary headlines, but the robots are already out there, working, listing, and brawling. If you like your tech news barked at you by a small dog who reads the filings, hit subscribe. This is for fun and information only, not financial advice. Now go on, chase something!